Hello guys, welcome to CARE, current affairs related to exam. I'm Himani Rana presenting news for your exam. So here we go. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs, Mr. Sri Arjun Munda, will launch two centers of excellence for tribal welfare in collaboration between Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Art of Living on October 27, 2020 through video conferencing. Here's the next one. Bombay Stock Exchange has signed an agreement with Entrepreneur Chamber of Commerce and Industries to support small and medium enterprises and startups and promote their listing on the exchange. Under this agreement, ICCI will offer assistance to BSE in evaluating SMEs and startups for listing on BSE SME board. Second one, ICCI will also help to offer industry connections to respective BSE startups globally and support entrepreneurship nationwide through knowledge transmission on government announced programs, acceleration fund, international presence and global business relations. Moving forward, Union Minister of State for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel has virtually launched the Life in Miniature project, a collaboration between the National Museum, New Delhi, Ministry of Culture, and Google Arts and Culture. Here's the next one. National Thermal Power Corporation Limited NTPC has featured on the top of the list of Indian PSUs under the World's Best Employer 2020 published by the Forbes. The recognition is testimony to NTPC's commitment towards including best in class practices that are thoughtfully designed and robustly executed. The best in class practices that are thoughtfully designed and robustly executed, the company stated in a statement. The modules have helped thousands of workers from NTPC to grow and think beyond the professional spheres. Now, from the bank one, ICCI Bank on Saturday said it has shut down operations in Sri Lanka after getting approval from the Sri Lankan Monetary Authority. From the Bangladesh now, Bangladesh government has decided that no service will be provided to people who don't wear a mask. The cabinet meeting, chaired by Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, decided that no one will be allowed to enter offices without the mask. It decided that all offices must install notice boards saying no mask, no service in order to control the spread of COVID-19 virus in the country. That's a very great initiative, I think, taken by the Bangladesh government. Moving forward, Union Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has launched the eDharti geoportal to integrate legacy drawings such as maps and lease plan in the management information system and make the geographic information system GIS enabled. Now, from the science section, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO Alliance plans to build a headquarters for space operations at its airbase in Ramstein in Germany to counter a rising Russian and Chinese threat. India assisted Mangdeshu hydroelectric project in Bhutan has been awarded the Brunel Medal 2020, an award conferred by the UK's top engineering body Institute of Civil Engineers. About Mangdeshu hydroelectric project, the 720 megawatt Mangdeshu run of river power project is built on the Mangdeshu river in Rongza Zongkhag district of central Bhutan at a cost of rupees 4500 crores. The project was jointly inaugurated by the Prime Minister of the two countries in August 2019 during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to Bhutan. Moving forward, India and France were re elected as the president and co president of the International Solar Alliance ISA for a term of 2 years at the virtual meeting of the Third Assembly. A total of 53 member countries and 5 signatory and prospective member countries participated in the assembly. Moving forward, and the last news for today. The Global Terror Financial Watchdog Financial Action Task Force FATF has announced that Pakistan will continue to remain on its grey list till February 2021. This decision has been taken since Pakistan has not been able to fulfill 6 out of the 27 mandates to check terror funding. FATF has strongly urged Pakistan to swiftly complete its full action plan by February 2021. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.